Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday, September 23rd. It is Juneau Day again. I know I just posted a video about being in Juneau, but today, as I mentioned in the last vlog, we are doing something very, very, very exciting, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. Right now I'm just doing some makeup to get ready and do my hair before we are meeting in like 25 minutes, so I kind of need to wrap this up to go dog sledding. And I am really excited, but also I'm not sure how it's going to go because it's raining all day today, so I'm not sure how this is all going to work. I don't want to bring this camera out because obviously it's going to be raining and I don't want to ruin it. I don't know how well it will hold up. So we're going to bring out the GoPro. It's been a hot minute and I don't really remember the last time I used this. I think it was on my first contract in the Caribbean. I'm going to bring this back out and hopefully it does what I need it to do. I'm going to be filming on my phone and on this little camera. So sorry if the video quality isn't as good as it usually is on my Sony camera, but we're going to make it work. Deleted all the footage off of this SD card from all my past videos. I don't know what it is. I mean, I'm new to this whole vlogging and footage thing, but it just feels so wrong deleting all the like raw footage from all my last videos, because I'm like, what if I want to watch that back one day? But also, like, I'm not going to keep it on my really expensive hard drive and my computer can't hold it, and then this SD card keeps saying that it's full. So if you have any suggestions of what to do with all the extra super long huge footage, the girl know. Cabin tour is coming very soon. I'm just doing some finishing touches and my mom is on next week so she can help me with that. After I do a couple last minute things, I'll have everything ready and I'll be able to film and upload that for you guys. This, but this week we have a charter, so that means a group or like an organization or just any company can rent out a cruise ship for a week. So like this organization called Olivia is on the ship right now, so that means they're basically using our ship as a venue for their event. And so we have no shows this week because they didn't come for like the Holland America Eurodam experience. They came for their own experience, so they have their own entertainment on board. The music venues are still doing their sets and such, but production is not doing shows this week. Last night we did not have a show and that was just so weird. I mean, we were celebrating Nicole's birthday last night, but still, I just feel like felt so wrong. We have a whole week of no shows, and I am already bored because we can't go to the gym until after 7 p.m., which sucks, but it's whatever because I like working out in the morning. I'm making it work, and then we can't really use the pools or the jacuzzi, and we can't book the restaurants this week. Basically, we just have to like stay to ourselves because it is strictly their organization and all of their people, so we kind of just have to lay low for a week with no shows. makeup. I'm just gonna do this refi gloss. Watch this. Go like this. Pull it open and push it through. Tighten. And then do it again. I'm gonna throw these gold earrings on. Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm running late, but I will see you guys either on my phone or on the GoPro.
Driving around sort of thing. But the year prior, I was in Alaska for winter up north actually, and I broke my leg, so I'm like, I'm done, no more. I don't want to see snow and ice ever again.
It's a frog.
Very nice.
I will.
So you get it.
It's like a pea.
It's like a pea.
The peas. Yeah.
But what is?
No. They're called the peas that I really like. It sounds like not banana, but they're called like flop. But I know them.
Yeah.
It's called I almost missed the bus. Right when I ended that last clip, I locked myself out of my room. I had to run to guest services and get another key as they were leaving the ship. But don't worry, I clearly made it.
I should have wore different shoes.
What shoes did you wear?
White ones.
Me too. Okay, it was a 20-minute quick ride. We played some heads up.
20 minutes.
We signed a waiver, and now I think they're going to take us. I know. I was about to say. I think they're gonna murder us.
Yeah, it's like a horror film.
Especially.
Little cabin.
You guys get lost yet?
Yes.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. It's fine. Oh, it's actually kind of pretty, but it is very.
I've only seen this in horror films.
Oh, that was a very quick train ride. No, that was a bus ride. That was a very quick bus ride. Now we're on the sled, about to start. They just want to get running. Look at them go. Look, they want to run.
I think they're just excited they want to go.
I think they just want to start running.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so hot here. Look at my face! What is happening? What is happening? What is I'm soaking wet. Oh my god. I can't see it. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Ha! Yay! They're amazing.
Trot, he knows how to pace himself. Now, Chief really does it. She's doing pretty good, but usually he runs with Lincoln, and Lincoln has no trot. She goes not running because she's in heat.
Ah.
We have about 170 dogs, and we have a lot of females running heat right now. We all have 18 dogs to choose from. I brought down 25 with my retirees.
Very nice.
Here we have cabins up here, and we have a big dog walk where I have my own section. Next one has their own next section.
Wow. Oh my god, guys are freezing. Okay, we finished the ride.
We're going to go up. We're going to start with our wheel dogs, work our way through the leader. Yes. And she's my mom on the team. Her kids are on the front up here.
Oh, nice. Family.
He stayed behind with me, a few of his dogs. I really liked him, so he placed him with me. I'm not that competitive. As long as we go 300s, he's very competitive. He wins like Iditarod for a 1,000-mile race. He heats up with that big coat on him. We go back to Connect. I'm about 65 miles north of Anchorage.
Look at those
Pretty
eyeballs. Hi.
Yeah, Lady Hawk's a very serious kind of fisher there. Maze is very friendly. Beautiful. Sometimes she really have you pet Maze, so I'll let her Maze come over if she wants to. She had her own plans. Yeah. Oh my God. And of course, she's very fast. She's very fast. She doesn't
Just finished the ride with the doggies, and now we're on this really pretty bridge. It's raining like crazy today. It's not usually this crazy of a river stream. Are we going over there?
Yes.
Everyone's taking pictures on this cool bridge. I'm being photographer for a second. Oh my goodness, the sun! It's so pretty. Look at that.
It's so bright.
Right?
Opposite end of the photo that you're about to see on the screen. Lucky! Lucky, I'm filming you! Yeah. It's so pretty. The sun came out just, oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Oh, I needed that.
Pretty urban there now. It's a pretty big city, so they have a ceremonial start the first Saturday in March. They'll truck snow into the streets of the city. She's been wearing them for 7 years, but she's not feeling it. She's like, it's summertime, there's no snow. I don't need these. Even the professionals do. She's a good girl. We go through a lot of those in the winter. They last anywhere from 2. They're really simple to put on, easy to pull off. Some dogs will pull them off on their own, which is really nice.
Gravy and biscuit. Oh.
You're so soft.
What are you saying? What are you saying? Oh. Who's biscuit? Who's gravy? Oh, are you biscuit?
Yes, you may.
You're so cute. Here's a cutie. Oh my goodness.
A little wiggly, but do not drop them. With these 2 hands, sometimes they like to kind of perch. They like to look at the world, so this works too.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you want to say hi to Lucky? No. Say hi to Lucky. Thank you. I love puppy breath. I love puppy breath. Look at those baby. Look at that baby. Oh, he went to jacket. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, what did you say? What did you say? Oh, I see. Little hot water stations. And you can either choose hot chocolate or coffee. Place to wash your hands. Oh! Tell me.
Somebody once told me. I kind of want to do that while you step out fast. The world.
Hey guys.
Judy.
Birthday, dear Nicole. Happy birthday to you.
Keep on dancing down West Hollywood.
Okay, we're walking back to the ship after we did the dog sledding, and then we watched a friend at open mic, and then we ate some delicious Mexican food, which I didn't get any footage of. I was just way too excited about the food. Sun came out, so now we're back. Right before we left, look what I found. So cute. This is number 4. I don't know what it is with Alaskan wiener dogs, but they've got them. So heading back on, and I'll do my outro there, I think. The waterfalls are glowing right now. So pretty.
Alright, so we're going to...
Just got back on the ship. Now we're in Crow's Nest. This is what the view is looking like. Getting ready to download all of the footage and start editing this vlog. I hope you enjoyed our little excursion here in Juneau, Alaska. It was super fun, and I am excited to head over to the Caribbean in just 1 week. My mom's gonna be here in, let's see, 5 days. Mom's gonna be here, and I'm so excited. I can't wait for her to see our shows. Next week we're doing DJ, song and dance, and all that. So we're back to usual scheduled shows. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. XOXO. Bye.